Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today we're taking a look at PlanLab, found at https://planlab.com. PlanLab presents itself as a solution for collaborative planning and project management. It seems to offer a range of features designed to streamline teamwork, including task management, scheduling, and communication tools. While I haven't personally delved deep into every single feature, my initial impression is that it could be a valuable asset for teams looking to enhance their organizational workflow. Navigating the website, I noticed they emphasize real-time collaboration, suggesting that multiple users can work on projects simultaneously. This could potentially eliminate version control issues and ensure everyone stays on the same page. They also highlight visualization tools, which I always appreciate, as visual representations of project progress can be extremely helpful for tracking and understanding complex tasks. From what I can gather, PlanLab aims to provide a central hub for all project-related information, reducing the need for scattered emails and documents. One element that caught my eye was the mention of customizable workflows. The ability to tailor the platform to specific team needs and project requirements could be a significant advantage. It suggests a level of flexibility that could accommodate various project methodologies. I'm also intrigued by the apparent focus on communication and feedback features, as effective communication is crucial for successful project completion. While the website doesn't provide exhaustive details on every feature, it definitely piques my interest enough to warrant further investigation. I encourage you to check out https://planlab.com yourself and explore what they have to offer. Your specific needs and experiences might vary, so first-hand exploration is always the best approach.